guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is weigh-in day. So this is 1 week back on Optavia, back on plan, back on track, back on doing the plan the right way. Not adding a ton of stuff into it, just literally having my fuelings, having my lean and green, adding in my good fat, my condiments I'm iffy with. I try to keep them to a minimum if I can, because I just find that I have a tendency to want to add more in than I'm supposed to. So anyway, I had a really good week, as typical, would have it when you follow the plan the right way without adding a ton of things into the plan, you will succeed. And when you do it half-assed and you pick like I was doing, a little bite here, a little bite there, like I explained in my last video, that is when the weight will stay the same. So how did I do this week? I bet you want to know. Here we go, guys. Drum roll, please. That is right, guys. I am down 3 pounds, and I can tell you, I already feel it. I feel lighter. I feel better. My sleep is not wonderful. I don't know what's going on with sleep, but I have really been diligent this week, and there you go. So 3 pounds gone, leading right into the Christmas holiday. I'm sure most of that 3 pounds was bloat. But moving forward, it should be a decrease in fat loss. So I'm looking forward to seeing how this next week goes. This is just going to be a short but sweet video until we get into the next week. I did just receive a new order that I want to do an unboxing of. So I'm going to film that right after this. Because I got to get to work. So you're going to see me in the same outfit, but that's the way it goes. So anyway, 3 pounds down, wonderful to be back on 100%. And that's about it. So if you have any questions, leave them below and I will see you at the unboxing video. Have a good day, guys. Bye.